Hemi44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. We pulling up, man. We pulling up to the meet, man. All these. I'm late once again, man. I'm late. So we're gonna ride through. We're gonna get our little. Yes, sir.
I knew he was fucking with me.
Yeah.
That's why Ian shot off.
Yeah.
I was like, why is Ian driving fast? I'm on probation, dog. I got a ticket on my bike. Police caught me doing 129.
And you stopped?
Listen, man, I drive that road every day. My bike is noticeable. It got smoke on it. You can't miss this shit. I had already slowed down anyways.
Cars. So y'all some of these cars out here. What up, brother? You all right?
Much, man. Yes, sir.
Late as always. Hey. All right. I'm late as always. Huh? Oh, I couldn't. If I had waited on her, I wouldn't even be here. But she had a lot to do. So yeah, she going.
Hey, bro. Get back. Are you going to the house?
Let me show y'all. Show y'all his.
So she bringing him?
Show y'all his car, man. Show y'all Scat Pack Black since y'all finna see it. You know what I'm saying? He got it. Y'all already know what's coming. Jay couldn't do the rap. But y'all already know what's coming. You see it? It's loading. Let me show y'all this though. Oh yeah. Y'all see what color this rap finna be? Orange and pink, baby. Oh yeah, he got them guts done. Oh yeah, he got them stars up there. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Got his little trunk popped up. He got this done too. They gotta finish that. He got stars in here. You understand me? Mazda car right here. Mazda probably put that McDonald's right there. Let me we go get some. What up, brother? What's up, boy? Yeah, you got your slicks on. LD, I hope you ready, man. We walk through and show y'all some of these cars. What up, brother? You all right? Yes, sir. Where your car is? Oh, okay. This thing right. This Hemi thing right. Y'all pad? I ain't even show this car. Another wide body thing right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got this joint right here. This ain't no wide body, but that thing look good. Like them wheels. Oh, them 22. Them same ones I had. I'm making my way down here to these cats that were talking all this noise. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, man?
What up?
Hey, wide body came out clean, bro.
Appreciate it. Got hats right here. I don't know who this. I don't know who car this is. Well. What up, brother? You all right? What's up, brother? Okay. Yes, sir. Man, I had some I apologize for being late, man, but bro, I had when I got my wide body, bro, I was supposed to go down there and pick it up, but when I got down there, it was rubbing. It took like 6 hours and still couldn't fix it.
So what they do?
Nah, I had to get up this morning. I went and got some more tires, some smaller tires.
You gotta buy that suspension.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some airbags.
Yeah.
All that. Shout to our channels out, man. Y'all already know what this is, though.
You already know Dilly on my Tilio, man. It's shots around. No
Yes, sir. Y'all know who this is, too.
Dilly on my Tilio. He's a camel cat with the whip in the bag. I don't know what he's talking about. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
44 gang, though. You know who 44 gang.
Yes, sir.
No cap.
Show y'all they cars, man. This camel cat car right here. Huh? Yeah. Y'all remember I drove his Challenger, man, but this the one y'all been seeing all the rappers drive. You know what I'm saying? What they do to I seen the thumbnail, I ain't see the video though. Oh, I got you. I got you. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, cause I thought eventually something was gonna happen. I'm pretty sure. I mean, yeah. Yeah. I mean, but like I was telling my partner, I said, who wouldn't do that for that content? You supposed to. So I mean, I would have. Huh?
They do record that 3 million views. 2, 3 million.
Exactly.
Just to make my hair cut.
Exactly. That's going exact, bro. I just said that in my video earlier today.
That's why I said it.
That's crazy how negativity is what's gonna hit. Oh, Fizzle right here. It's Josh LaRunt car right here, man. Yes, sir. This red eye. Man, we putting this pedal box on this thing or what, bro? Putting this pedal box on this thing. Y'all want to see the pedal box on this red eye, bro? This thing tough though. I gotta get me a wicker bill. I gotta get me a wicker bill. I like this joint in person for real though. I like it. Yes, sir. I'll let my old sister right here. Oh yeah. No, I'm coming.
No, hi.
What up? Do I need to edit this?
Yes.
Okay,
No, I'm just fucking with you.
She got her
My
inside.
good angle.
Huh?
Good angle. My good angle.
How long y'all been here?
Since 11.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I got my car detailed over there.
God damn. Oh, I apologize. My bad. We finna go.
3 to 4 hours late, it's all good.
Hey, we finna go though. Huh?
Someday.
Nah, we finna go for real. 2 of them guys over there, that's who called me out over there. But I gotta show y'all some of the turbo car. This is car club, Highway Bullies, man. This turbo car club right here. Highway Bullies. You understand me?
He said you want to race.
Who?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
And what?
That's it.
Is that all-wheel drive?
Nah, they not with
You a lie. You a lie. That same thing Turbo got?
Nah, he got a V6 supercharged.
Oh yeah, yours V8.
Yeah, he got a turbo.
I blow those off you.
Say what?
Huh?
Say what?
I blow those off you.
We can rest.
Nah, for real. Huh?
Everybody waiting on you.
Do right?
Let's go. Ride, go.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Cause we gotta go ride way anyway.
Nah, he said he gonna meet us. He said when we leave, text me.
Yeah. Right.
Are you? Please don't you? Y'all on 35 and what else?
We just on 35. No, bill line.
Okay. Oh, y'all still got a pieces. Okay, but anyway, y'all got a real good spot.
All right.
Y'all gonna be sitting parked together. Real good spot.
Okay.
Huh? Okay, alright. Right.
Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where are you? Can you see me? I'm standing in front of it.
Oh, I see. You up under a white tent?
Being hard.
Yeah, no, I'm near a white tent, but I'm standing in front of the cold beer sign.